What is Shanti Bill 2025 Atomic Energy Bill? Sustainable harnessing of advancement of nuclear energy for transforming India is the full form. The Union Cabinet has approved the Atomic Energy Bill 2025, identified as a Shanti Bill, marking the biggest reform in India's nuclear sector since 1962. A comprehensive nuclear sector reform bill replacing fragmented laws and modernizing India's nuclear governance, safety, liability, and industry participation framework. Under ministry introduced by the Department of Atomic Energy DAE under the Prime Minister, regulatory reforms involve creating an independent nuclear safety authority aimed to enable large scale nuclear expansion, attract private and global investment, modernize regulatory oversight, reform liability rules, and accelerate India's path to 100 gigawatt of nuclear power capacity by 2047. Law governing nuclear energy. Currently, India's nuclear sector is presently overseen primarily by Atomic Energy Act 1962, centralizes all nuclear activities under the government, effectively excludes private sector participation. Reforms reflects Cold War era security thinking rather than modern energy economics. Civil liability for Nuclear Damage Act 2010, CLND Act, introduced after the Indo-US nuclear deal, widely seen as misaligned with international nuclear liability conventions. These laws restrict private participation and impose ambiguous liability burdens. Objective of the Shanti Bill: enable large-scale nuclear capacity expansion, attract private and foreign investment, modernize safety regulation and liability, promote innovation, including small modular reactor (SMRs), align India's nuclear sector with global norms, support India's net zero by 2070 commitment. Strategic significance of Shanti Bill is to ensure strategic autonomy, energy security, climate change, climate action, and economic and industrial impact. If implemented with institutional integrity, public in transparency, and scientific rigor, Shanti Bill could transform nuclear energy from a niche contributor into a central pillar of India's 21st century development strategy, powering growth, safeguarding the climate, and strengthening national security simultaneously.